Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rubel. Today we are going to walk through the test automation that we are going to perform. So far we learned how to execute a smoke test manually. So meaning we had about 28 test case. So every time new build or new code pushed to the any environment, we perform those smoke tests. So manually, it will take a little bit of time, and we have to be present, right? So if we do the automation, the same task, let me show you. We will have at the end of this building is complete. We will have something like this. So we will have the build number, and we can just click rerun. So it will run automatically. So just click on button, so it will perform all the smoke test for us. And when it's complete, we will get the notification on the Slack. So we'll do the Slack notification enable. Okay, so that is why we do the we perform the automation. So now let's start in details. So right now, in order for us to do the perform automation, we do need a set of tools and technology, right? The first, we need in order to write the code and do the automation, we need to write the code. The language we are going to use, computer programming language, we are going to use the Python. So you can use Python, C#, Cypress, whatever language, JavaScript, but for me, I'm going to show you the Python. Then for the portal or UI, we are going to use Selenium Webdriver. And also the code we are going to write, the Python code we are going to write, we are going to use the editor called PyCharm. And as I already mentioned, that the front end or UI automation, we are going to use the Selenium WebDriver. And for the API testing, we are going to use the request library, and it is the package of the Python, right? So API testing, we are going to use the request library. And okay, so now we will install or download all this code to our computer. So now we are start writing the code, right? So now, in order for, I will not be only tester to write the code, perform the automation. So there will be like 3-4 automation engineer. They are also doing the automation. So that's why I say like the Rubel, and there will be like the Robert, Chris, like all these people are working in the maybe same project. Okay, and they also need the project that we are going to build. So now, in order to maintain the version of our individual code, so we can use called Git. So the Git is the version control technology, a tool, whatever you call, and these allow us to give the flexibility. Like as you see, it will have a branches, like we have a master branch, then like I can create a my branch, right? As you say, feature underscore Rubel underscore it, like if you are having automation in QA, you can put the QA or UT. Is the name whatever your company prefer, so you can use it. And also this his name is Robert, so the Robert also have his own branch, and Chris, he has his own branch, right? So that's why you are using the Git. So Git also need to install in our machine. So now, like all the code we write right now, everything is stay in our computer. So in order to share our automation code, whatever we wrote, we have to we have to push it somewhere or shared drive that everybody can, like whoever needs to access, they can access. So there is it's called the cloud-based repository. Like we have right now, this is called a bitbucket. We also have a GitHub. We also have a GitLab. There is just so many other things that we have, but right now we are using the bitbucket. So what will happen after I write my script using Python, I will push like like I will have a project, right? The project name is ICRA Shopping Demo. ICRA Shopping Demo, and then I will push the first. Obviously, I need to create a branch, right? I will create a branch, then I will push it to the Bitbucket. So now this ICRA Shopping will have this available in the Bitbucket. So now I will share the link with this with the Robert and Chris. So what they can do, they are going to pull this ICRA Shopping project to their computer. So also they can pull the code. So they will have the same code as I have, right? So after, like now, the Robert or Chris, like they also working on the same thing, right? So they will pull the code again and change their code, and they will push it to their branch. Like they will create a branch. You see, my name, all the branches will be available in the Bitbucket. So they will push the code in their branch. Then they will request for it's called the merge request. So they will somebody will review their code, and if it is everything is okay, then they will push it to the master. So the master that we don't touch. The master will have a as you know, name convention that master means it is we should not touch the master. Okay, so that is the high level that how we push the code and the pull our code after we change it, then push it back to the Bitbucket. So now when the code is available in the Bitbucket, and we can create the pipeline, right? We can create a pipeline, and that pipeline we can name it, and we can integrate that pipeline with Slack. So every time we start run, we will get the notification, the Slack notification. As you see, let me show you again, right? The test, if I rerun, so I will have a Slack notification, and it will, I will get the notify that like my name will be there, that the pipeline is running. And after, if it is fail or pass, I will get the notification via the Slack notification. Okay, so that is the high level overview for test automation that we are going to build. So it will be multiple streams. So the first, we will download all the tools, then we'll build a framework with the Webdriver for the UI and the backend and the API. Okay, thank you.